Assalamu alaikum. I am India Shukurjaman Navid, Department of Civil Engineering at Daffodil International University. This video resume presents my journey, skills and aspirations. I am deeply interested in addressing real world problems and contributing to a sustainable future through engineering. In the Department of Civil Engineering at Daffodil International University, contributing my journey. I am from Tangail. I completed my SSC from Dhanbari Collegiate Model School and GPA 5.0. After that, I completed my SSC exam from Alamgir Mansur Minto Memorial College with my GPA 4.67. I also completed my diploma in computer science and completed basic computer training course. Expertise in AutoCAD 3D and 3D Max for developing high quality technical and architectural drawing. I use SketchUp to turn ideas into models, helping visualize concept and design. Experience with Microsoft PowerPoint and Excel for creating impactful presentation and effectively managing. These tools help me deliver professional and organized work. Whatever it designing a structure or presenting a project, I focus on quality and precision. I am not just about technical skill. I am handwriting, creative and always eager to learn. I enjoy working in teams, listening and others and finding smart solutions to talk tough problems. My goal is to contribute to projects that are sustainable and make a real difference in our communities. By 2030, I will try to establish a consultancy firm is construction management. It will provide expert solutions in civil engineering. My goal is to offer innovative guidance and support for industrial growth with a strong foundation in both technical and soft skills. Thank you for watching my video.